she comes. The woman that I love.
Hi guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, my name is Jacqueline and I'm going to be doing an extreme clean with me, and I'm going to start right here in my cozy room. And I hope you guys enjoy this video and it gives you guys lots of motivation. And if you guys can, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it if you can.
Or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind.
I recorded this at the beginning of the month of May. This is when we just got back from our trip from Florida to visit my brother and Tasha, and to celebrate our 15-year anniversary and Ryder's birthday. He turned 18, guys. I feel like an old lady now.
I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. But she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah-nah. Never know, nah-nah. She will never know, nah-nah.
I'm excited to get my package in the mail today, and I'm getting some lights, so then it will help out with these dark spots in my house.
Without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close.
I was just thinking, what motivates you guys to clean? When I was younger, I liked to use aprons and go to thrift shops to go find some vintage aprons and stuff like that, and I just collect a whole bunch of those. So that was my motivation for a while, and then when that kind of wore off, I started collecting different cleaning gadgets and stuff like that, because I thought, oh, I need to have this. But now that I'm trying to go minimalist and not use too much stuff, like paper towels and stuff like that, because I'm trying to do more of a zero waste in our household, now I'm just liking the grove.
She'll never know. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself.
Now I'm moving into the kitchen, where I'm going to be cleaning up our breakfast/lunch dishes.
I'm gonna skip my break.
Here I am looking for my dish gloves. I think Logan took them. He usually likes to use them when it's his week of doing dishes.
When I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. mistake. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else.
On our way home, we stopped in South Carolina at a farmer's market and I picked up this gorgeous plant. It's called the Chinese lantern, is what the guy told me. I think it's beautiful. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below.
This town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
Now I'm moving into the pink bathroom. I'm gonna clean this one today, and I wish I had a better angles to video for me cleaning this bathroom. It's just our bathrooms are pretty small. Joel and me always joke about how when we buy our next property, we're always gonna get a double vanity bathroom. But for some reason, I don't ever buy houses with double vanities. But I told him when we decided to build our dream house, we will definitely have a double vanity bathroom, and I really want like a huge walk-in bathroom.
How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken?
This was a sticker on the floor.
Could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
And here I'm just going to be cleaning up Ryder's baseboards. I haven't cleaned these up in a while, guys, so they're really icky.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing?
I'm going to be using the Method Squirt Mop to clean Ryder's floors.
You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life.
I decided to go ahead and clean behind Ryder's dresser. Since I'm cleaning the baseboards, I might as well do it all together in one day.
Show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can.
I just have an all-purpose cleaner and my spray bottle. It's probably one of the ones from Grove.
Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
What do you guys think about his clean room?
Beauty queens without no flaws.
This is a few days later. We had a birthday party for Joel a couple nights ago, and now I'm just cleaning up all the party decorations. We had over 200 balloons that we had blown up for him. So I'm going to be doing a lot of popping and taking down the decorations. Here is the decoration that Jean and Logan had done. Jean did a great job with the streamers, and Logan did an amazing job of blowing up most of these balloons. He did these all day, and it was pretty nice the fact that they decided to do this for their dad. And we had made them cupcakes, vegan cupcakes, and they were delicious too. Do you guys have traditions that you guys do for your guys' birthday, or you would like to pass down for your kids? One of the things that we like to do is we like to make a meal, or they get to pick what they want for dinner. And then another thing we like to do, instead of buying a lot of gifts and a lot of material things, we like to make an event out of something. So with Jean, one time she wanted to go to a water park, so her birthday was in November and it's cold, so we went to Great Wolf Lodge. We spent a whole weekend down there. We took a trip to Kansas to visit my family for Ryder's 16th birthday. We have done a whole bunch of things. Logan wanted to go to theme parks and stuff like that, so we've done all different things. And our kids to this day will always talk about, oh, I did this on my 12th birthday, or my 10th birthday, I got to do these things. So what are your guys' traditions? Leave a comment below if you guys have any.
Feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing
Jean had used painter's tape to hang up the streamers and balloons. I think she's a genius, guys, because sometimes when I use regular Scotch tape and I peel it off the walls, it'll pull the paint. And when Jean used the painter's tape, it was a genius move because it doesn't leave marks on my wall or pull off the paint.
I'm gonna get this party lit. Come, come, come with me. Let's do something we'll regret. Come, come, come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come, come, come with me. Let's do something we'll regret. 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it.
We put balloons all over the house this year. We were trying to outdo Joel's mom. When they were younger, she used to blow up balloons and put them all over the house, but she did the smaller ones. I can't find the small ones, so I had these bigger ones. So we had done a whole bunch this year. Usually we only do like 1 or 2 packets and that's it. But this year I think it was like 6 to 8 packets of balloons that we had done. So they are all over the house and I am still finding them till this day.
Watch me under the light. So keep me in your sight. 'Cause I can do this all night. You can call it what you want. I got something else in mind. Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make you worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind. Close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night. We don't need to slow down. Take it all, give you what you need.
Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.